Yes people, welcome back to another great adventure cooking with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Big up Nadisha, big up dog. Officially, you know, so them are part of the Caribbean Vibes cooking family, you know. Can't go nowhere left them guys. Poor man jerk today, you know. Jerk chicken neck, you know. Chicken back, a hit man.
Yeah man, for real. Out till the Sunday. Blessed Sunday to you all. I don't know what it is. When you say jerk chicken back with jerk chicken neck, you know I deal with the capital thing. So I carry one fish myself to deal with. Boom.
Dry. You're gonna fall out of this when you look for your place, you know? So if it's dry, calm, and anything you already fall like you'll be looking. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's another funny next side.
No, right to see him place.
Oh, my next side, I see it over there. Hey guys, so my eyes have it juice, you know? Get them well cold. Yeah, man.
You go full this week, man, like a party with your kids.
That's you, man. Every week, you know? It's anything every week.
Yeah, man, a real meds, man. You know, we can't really come with just alcohol alone, because, you know, I know everybody in here drinking as you guys know.
Yeah.
You know, so, you know, 62 this week. I want Kingston 62. So, we do a program that week.
See your peeps. They say chicken back or chicken neck. What me say? Fish me say.
No, we don't eat jack.
And fish me I tell them I eat till and them I eat them chicken. I don't get all man on my fish today. None of my fish in there get.
Man can jack come a river.
Eat fish last week and you give me none. Now you give me fish this week.
Guys, the man can jack come a river that week.
No, yeah, man. It's like getting fish them scale of fee. The rasta and finally eat the skin back, you know? The boss got 2 fish.
2 jack.
Yeah, 2 jack.
Jack fish.
That's the jack fish there, easy.
The jack fish.
Yeah, a jack fish, that's the name. Yeah, that's the name for real. Yeah, man. When I scale them up.
Yes, guys, we'll get the meat clean up in the meantime and get them seasoned up. Yeah, the salt out.
Yeah. Big old jack, you know? Yeah, man, out.
Yeah, it's pretty like, whoa, watch it. Best just chicken back. Best just chicken neck to the world. We say jerk chicken back and jerk chicken neck. With the roast breadfruit and tamarind juice. Wow.
They get the fire ketchup, guys. You know, reach kind of a little bit later, and right now we start get rain pretty early. You know, the faster we can move today, the better. Come on. Breadfruit. Yeah. Guys, we love when the breadfruit them turn. You see, you can see it turn. When it turn and you roast it, man, like you can eat the sauce of breadfruit with butter. Yeah. One, so I saw me roast them. One them on the top, steam still I go through them same way. Yeah.
The tamarind pick, you know. See them here, real Jamaican tamarind, the tamarind juice. You know? See them there. Nice tamarind, you know. Natural tamarind juice. Yeah, man. Yeah, get them pick. Make the tamarind juice. So tamarind juice, guys. Jerk chicken back, jerk chicken neck, and it was breadfruit. Yeah, man.
And the best part now, you know, a tamarind season, don't you?
Yeah. a tamarind season, you know, so you have to drink the kind of juice too. You know, out for the vlog, you know, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog, big up every time.
Yes, please, you get the chicken and the chicken neck, the chicken back and the chicken neck wash off. You throw some lime juice. You know, say lime juice. Cut where around this. Wash them off and then we get them seasoned up. And make them go and marinate for about 20 minutes. Good old chicken back and chicken neck.
Yes, so now that the chicken back with the chicken neck clean up, prepare good, all ready for season. So now the blended season that I'm gonna use, it is Caribbean Vibe way I've blended. So I have all the herbs and spice in it to me use, including bell pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over. So I do not add water into the blended season. I use some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add some pimento seed, just a little bit, meat season, with a tablespoon, also some powdered garlic. I could use the garlic salt, but with the garlic salt, because all the season that I'm going to be using have a variety of salt in it, so I have to be extremely careful. So I'm using some chicken season. And I'm going to be using some Jamaican dry jerk season. I'm gonna be using some jerk marination season. And some all-purpose. Chicken back and chicken neck turn up today. A lot of herbs and spice in it right now. No Rasta mouth, I go run water for some of this today.
No sir.
We see.
Your mouth I go run for my fish.
So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of soya sauce. Yeah, so I'm rubbing in the season now. Guys, can you smell that? Aroma from the herbs and spice, I'm telling you, along with the blended season. It's a little bit windy today. No, tell him when your husband mouth I go run water for food today. You know, tell him man.
Yeah, his mouth run water guys do chicken back.
Yeah.
And chicken neck. I think it's good already and go for the fry.
No, so we season to taste. Yeah?
How it tastes the season.
Exactly. Yeah. Man. Yeah, so we're gonna leave to marinate now. So it's all perfect.
Yeah. And the breadfruit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add just a little cup of pineapple juice into the jerk.
Yeah.
And what this does, this helps to enhance the flavor. Yeah. So we're just gonna leave it to marinate. Yes man, so you know I check on the breadfruit then. Yeah. Whew. So I'm gonna go on good. So you allow them to roast. Yeah.
Fire well red. If you don't like them ready to eat. To season. Chicken back look like you're ready to eat. Watch jerk chicken back.
Why not? So I can send them to us already.
I'm going to tell your husband how it tastes.
Send them lick me as a guys, yeah, tell her like. Come back to her, say like we like to see it so raw.
Get on, so I make them say you don't know this. Can smell the flavor already. So, yeah, so no need for that today. On the riverside, jerk chicken back, jerk chicken neck, roast breadfruit.
Tamarind juice.
Tamarind juice on the side. Yeah, so no need for the on the Sunday evening. Can smell the flavor already. Flavor push out of fire. Oh man, I eat that man. Jerk chicken back with jerk chicken neck. Get the cover up. Yes man.
Yes, man. So I'm going to add in some cinnamon leaf with this stick to allow them to draw, along with some gin. These are what I'm going to be used to draw the tamarind juice, you know? Yes guys, so I'm going to add the tamarind in the water, you know? And then I'm going to take off here and leave it covered so it can actually draw. So it's boiling for about 20 minutes. Tamarind juice today, epic juice today, eh? Has you ever drink tamarind juice yet? Alright, sir.
Yeah, this is the tamarind.
Is it tamarind ball? I never drink the juice as it. First I go drink the juice. You want first I go drink the juice.
Another first time I got virgin, huh?
Yeah, I drink tamarind juice, you know? I was like in a tamarind bar, but I never drink the juice.
Yes, man. I'm going to add some pimento leaf. Wash them up and cover it all over the chicken neck and chicken back, you know. And what this does now, this helps to enhance the flavor, you know. It's all about flavor. Yeah. Caribbean vibes cooking style. Jerk chicken back. Rasta they are seasoned up in Jack.
Get the fish start out man, because you don't know what things said. Then chicken back so ready, so I'm going to put my fish on the fire. I get me season them cut up. I line up the file paper. Thing I go on man. Yeah.
A small adjustment guys, I take the pimento leaf and put it under the grill, right? So you get more flavor from it. So I go through and turn them accordingly. You know, jerk can't be jerk without good old Jamaican red stripe beer, though. Yeah, man, so in other terms, this will help you enhance the flavor, you know, the red stripe beer. And also help you add moisture to the chicken, you know. Yeah. So you can actually smell the beer. Watch on the Rasta, man.
That look good. Real, I'm telling you. That's straight fish I'm going to eat today. Yo, tall man left file paper. And to a chicken I deal with.
I want a chicken back and chicken neck you eat, guys.
To a chicken back and chicken neck you want me to eat this week. I'm not eat no chicken neck and chicken back this week. Fish me I eat this week. So, now get me Auntie Kedong in file paper, I can get to sort out my fish. Yeah man, remember we have visit up on the channel, you don't know what things said. Yeah man, people come up past through.
Man, so we link up back with my nephew, girlfriend and her family today, you know. Like, them get hooked on the food people, them can't left Caribbean vibes cooking vlog alone, no one tall enough, so you know the thing come down.
Yeah.
poor man jerk today, jerk chicken back with chicken neck. Yeah. I'll heat another quarter of beer again. To enhance flavor.
You say boy carry plastic cup instead of carry file paper. I don't want me fish, you know want me fish steam roast today. Chicken neck and chicken back you want me today. But you know I'm gonna work. Until the end can file paper come do. You want to get the fish and salt out on the file paper. So I put some butter on the file paper. I don't know if you keep the fish in a stick on the fire. I get in the seasoning like fish. Onion, pimento, a little piece of bell pepper, thyme, garlic, and pepper. Yeah, so we're getting a little Jamaica jerk funny. You know everything jerk. Chicken neck a jerk, chicken back a jerk, so you better we just jerk some of the fish and don't take. Yeah man. Get them salt out. Well, salt out. Not a good fire. Come on and get them on the fire. Yeah, so we need to for the Sunday. Jerk chicken back, jerk chicken neck, roast breadfruit, steam roast fish, tamarind juice, both.
Yes man. As you guys can see, jerk chicken back coming along, you know. Have one chicken leg and one hip pan instead way too. As you know, food can't too much. Caribbean vibes we love to share, and you know, a lot of people up on the river too, so there's always food for everyone.
Yes, peeps, so we get all the fish on the fire now. We're going to go and take time steam and hold the fire. I don't know what it is. I must have fish. Take long. I can give them a small amount of fire and make them go and steam.
Yeah man, so I make some jerk pineapple sauce today, add some pineapple juice. I use some honey, you know. I use a little bit of jerk seasoning, jerk marination, you know. Let the jerk. About a serving spoon and also some tomato ketchup. Yes guys, so I'm going to coat the chicken back in the sauce I'm making, straight pineapple sauce. Yes, so I just add them in a dip sauce, put them back on the grill and allow them to dry. Jerk chicken back with a style to the Rasta.
I don't like the jerk chicken back now.
Your problem.
See there, the steam roast fish in the fire over there. I'm going to run water kind of, you know?
Your motor go run water for your jerk chicken back with the chicken neck, brother. As a Rasta, that's a come eat, good chicken back. I go taste it to them, man.
Yeah, like last week, they all have taste before.
Yeah, now add the chicken neck then.
You want to taste the pork, so you have to taste the chicken back, so you know, taste.
Just layer them in the on the grill. Or in the chicken neck on the grill.
Take a spoon there. Yeah, get a spoon out of the box.
Chicken back and chicken neck.
Yeah, so now allow them to dry. So now I gotta just add some bell pepper over them. Now bell pepper full of flavor.
Yeah.
Along with some onion. Jerk chicken back with a different, you know?
Yeah.
A little piece of thyme, you know? Yeah.
You don't have much talking time of Mr. Agua.
Yeah.
Now what for talking time of Mr. Agua? They better think I go out. I think over this one. Yeah, so we're going to get the tamarind squeeze on because it's jar already. We'll get the squeeze out, please. Get the salt out. Yes, please. You come like just like when you do sauce up, see me. The same process, you got you. The tamarind. Squeeze them. Squeeze out, you can smell the flavor of ginger and the cinnamon leaf. Yeah. Oh, good old tamarind juice. Good old cinnamon. Come on, you get the tamarind strain off.
Yeah, thick and rich.
Rich.
Another one again, Caribbean vibes. You know, we are weird. We do it the best, you know.
Yeah.
When you come on to bangers, and we are first here bring some of them content across Jamaica. Yeah, so never stop. Grind never stop. We just keep it real. Being Jamaican and deliver authentic cooking. Come on.
Real man. I hate man. Our next hit video this.
Thick, you want some more water.
It's so thick man, you want more water.
Yeah, about the thicker thing.
Hello. Yes, no. Yeah. Let go cool me then sit up.
Yeah man, so dog done squeeze out the tamarind juice. So I'm gonna add some brown sugar. So we are going to sweeten the taste. Guys, I almost a season to taste, but we are going to sweeten the taste.
What am I love season to taste?
Yeah.
Now
We are going to sweeten the taste, you know? Even me a sweeten, you can actually smell the cinnamon along with the ginger. You know, and that's what made the tamarind juice stand out. Yo, come taste it, man. That me alone can't do it. One more sugar, or good.
Come on, you can take a little more sugar. And look at spirit tonight.
You want a little spirit tonight?
Yeah.
We're going to add a little of the rum tonight, you know. You know, rum make from sugar cane, so you know, so that will enhance the flavor, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I know you're about to taste, you know. Tell me how it tastes.
Well, yeah, people it taste like, you know, tamarind same way. You see it, but you have one little kind of sour taste to it, but you know, but it nice same way. You see it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, tamarind.
Yeah, my thing there already, you know. See, they're looking at it. I'll see what I go on. See the steam. Oh my word. Cook steam fish. Steam fire roast fish. They say them give me chicken
My
back
thing
and
ready
chicken
though.
leg.
My thing ready though. So I don't
What
feel
that fish was
alone.
set to your world? Steam roast fish was set to your world. No chicken back to them. See there. Ready. Wow. Yeah man. And we used to cooking them man. Caribbean vibes. Pure vibes. Boom.
Yeah man, breadfruit time.
See breadfruit they are peel.
Yeah. Real yellow heart breadfruit this is you. Correct.
Yes, man.
Yeah, so we're wrap up now. Dinner time.
Ah. Can't wait to get in the steam fish and the roast breadfruit.
You get to the my jerk chicken back with jerk chicken neck, you know.
Yeah.
So
People in the year husband and wife are compete for the channel. You hear them? I
you
compete.
get to the jerk chicken back and the jerk chicken neck with roast breadfruit.
I compete husband and wife are compete for the channel, guys. You hear them?
Breadfruit ready to cut up and slice up. So peeps, you see, everything ready here now. So I get the thing, I get the food sure. Jerk chicken back, jerk chicken neck, roast breadfruit, tamarind juice. Yeah.
So we're gonna go on, guys, because we have so many persons. We're actually up on the river now. I know me love to share. So I'm going to do like one piece of chicken back, one piece of chicken neck, so everybody can actually get tasty food and get to taste everything. Yeah man, so that is it.
Yeah man, see there, food ready on a sheer road.
And this is Diana, 2 plate me 1 too.
Yeah.
As me crave.
Ready.
Yeah,
Now get him my fish on plate and I know what it is.
From me son.
Oi. What steamed fish? They want to give me chicken back and chicken neck. I say no. A straight steamed fish.
On the channel, we don't employ no waitress or
You
wait.
tell them, look
Yeah,
over now.
we have to come across with certain things, you see me? Yeah. One family, you see me? Yeah.
So basically, it's a chicken neck vibe we did want, but you know, they mix it up with chicken back, so you have to work with it, you know? Yeah man. So now we see how it's going on now. So it's a tasting vibes, you know? Well, pineapple flavor did it. People, they active as it. Yeah man, you know? Pineapple make it sauce, so you know, so we have to active up. Yeah people.
How many people are out there man? Active. Jerk chicken back with jerk chicken neck. Roast breadfruit. Active.
See my breadfruit there? Westmoreland, look on it, yellow heart. Bad. No, Lord. I know hand licking. Yo, what is the runs too? Where's the bag? Yeah man, it's bad man, it's tough. We active, I like. We active. They must give it asthma, we even breathe easy. Because we want a whole heap of pump.
Good old chicken back.
I don't like. Right now, me bakes, you know. I come down from way by this side, because I bet.
For what?
What do you mean for what?
Good food.
Look what going over here, so now.
What
Me I go and look more rice sauce, because guess what going on? Oh, that's how we can. Put it on it. Good. Put some on the breadfruit now. Good. A good sauce do that, that's it. Yeah, man.
I'm my grandson had a sauce of breadfruit you want to eat, you know.
So one kilo, one kilo.
But I told you last night like the food.
I video man. Video man last to eat all the while. I video man always go like him outside.
Why? I never love a chicken back, but me this out make me eat like. Yeah. So by we put in it.
Something die here.
Me know man. Me realize.
Him. You don't love meat.
I say, look at granddaughter, I love me.
I love meat.
Yeah, man. So a couple piece more chicken neck left, you know.
I really
Yeah, man. Piece more, couple piece more
How much are they?
So I'm the onion last.
I know, I'll get them.
People are becoming free of my circle here. They say food nice. You have to eat the whole heap. Yeah, man. Is it?
Yeah, man. So a fish me I eat today. Because you know we have so many visitors upon the channel, so we are give them a first and taste of food, you know. So I go always choose people over everything. I'm just thanks to everybody who always support Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Yeah, man, much appreciated.
I do the jerk chicken bucket and roast breadfruit, nice man, with chicken neck, sauce, me I tell you, nice. Yeah man, real good food. Jerk chicken bucket and roast breadfruit.
Yeah man, chicken mac and chicken neck nice for me taste a little piece of it. Nice. Real ghetto style. Lie no.
Where's the Rasta? Rasta not tell lie, man.
Stop on the go.
I take one, man.
Okay. No, hold on, and your turn it. Make me first taste.
One more ice in a hit.
Wow, this tastes nice. I'm gonna put more ice nice.
Yeah.
You drink juice, you know. I think you know want this. Give bush this. Come Teban, this is yours.
Yeah, man, thanks.
You're welcome. Go again.
Yeah, man, tamarind juice.
This is the tamarind juice.
You know? So guess what I want now, no?
This one with more cup.
Yeah. Tamarind juice nice, you know? We don't have to fight, you know? Tamarind juice decent, boy. Yeah, go papa.
Tamarind juice.
Yo, Rasta, take time, man.
What?
Watch over there, sir. Watch over there, sir. Watch out.
Yo, when food nice, we have gravy in a plate now. That's how we do it.
When food nice, you come like
Finger
a
wipe out gravy.
This finger licking good.
Jerk pineapple sauce, I go hard.
Yeah, we are getting that. Tamarind juice. First, me I drink this, guys. First. Yeah, man. Nice.
I feel like I don't live in a bucket, you know. I must me alone that live.
No man, you're too
First,
creamy.
me I drink tamarind juice. Nice, me I drink.
Rasta, me not like how you're too creamy.
I must me alone that live.
No Rasta.
Ah, what?
The one can't drink too much.
Now we get looking more of it. Very nice, we can't drink one time. Yeah.
Come Rasta.
Yeah, me I'll get tonight, you know. I tell you, you can taste the flavor of cinnamon, the ginger, and like a tips of rum. Bad. Tamarind juice. Boom.
I want to sell jerk chicken. Oh,
We now go say another day well spent. And the blessing. The blessing guys. Right now everybody come out and have a good time. Share forward man.
It's a good vibe, I don't know. You see it? Yeah, man, eat till I don't sleep more sleep. Yeah.
Tamarind juice.
That's some lazy food they eat. They tell us you should eat
Chicken neck with the chicken back.
Don't so lazy man.
That's when I eat meat.
No man, I told me eat too much, that's why.
I pork that there.
A pork and a meat, a pork.
Pork. Rasta like the pork.
That's why they don't eat one half with it.
No pork that. Oh Lord.
Come on, boss lady. Come on, eat it. You eat too much. Huh?
Man, but you know, guys, keep safe out there. You know, it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. You know what I mean? Like, comment, share, subscribe. And you know, so we're out, man.